Hi there, I hope you're enjoying this life skill on growth mindset. My name's Sarah Kendrick and I'm the Clinical Director at Mental Health Innovations. Now, the term growth mindset comes from the research of Dr. Carol Dweck, Professor of Psychology at Stanford University. At its core is the belief that our abilities, our intelligence, and our talents can be developed over time through effort, through feedback, and through learning. Now, that might sound really simple, but here's why it matters. People with a fixed mindset believe their qualities are kind of set in stone. You're either good at maths or maybe not creative, and that's just how it is. The danger with this way of thinking is that mistakes can feel like personal failures. If we believe we can't do something, then we tend to avoid challenges because we fear looking incapable or we fear looking incompetent and we fear failure. On the other hand, people with a growth mindset see things very differently. For them, mistakes are part of the process. Challenges are seen as opportunities, and effort, well, that's something to value and to be embraced. Imagine starting learning with that in mind, because that's where growth really happens, when you're struggling and when you're reflecting, when you're learning something new. Let's take an example. Imagine that you're learning a new skill, maybe, I don't know, coding, public speaking, or a new language. A fixed mindset might say, I'm just not good at this. A growth mindset would say, I'm not good at this yet. And that one word, yet, opens the door to improvement. So I want you to imagine that for a minute. And this isn't just motivational talk for you. Neuroscience backs this up. Our brains actually grow and form new connections when we struggle, when we put in effort, and when we practice, and also when we reflect. Effort literally changes your brain. To sum it up, a growth mindset isn't about pretending that everything is easy. It's actually about understanding that your abilities are not fixed, they're flexible, and that every step forward, even the messy ones, even the really challenging ones, is part of the learning journey.